Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War on PC. First, you'll want to determine which specific Gears of War titles are compatible with your computer, as several excellent entries are available. Next, it's crucial to check the game system requirements against your PC's specifications to ensure a smooth experience. Finally, select a reputable digital storefront, such as the Xbox app or Steam, to acquire your chosen game. This initial preparation sets you up for an epic gaming journey. Before diving in, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for processor speed, memory, and graphics card. This prevents performance issues later on. Once confirmed, proceed to download and install the game directly from your chosen digital platform. Remember to allocate ample storage space. Many Gears of War titles require approximately 80 gigabytes or more. A stable internet connection will make the download process much quicker, getting you into the action faster. Now, let's get comfortable with the controls. Gears of War on PC typically uses a keyboard and mouse, so take a moment to learn the default key bindings for movement, shooting, and special abilities. For a truly personalized experience, you can easily customize these key bindings to suit your playstyle. Additionally, explore the graphics settings menu to fine-tune visual quality versus performance, aiming for a smooth frame rate. Experiment to find your perfect balance for immersive gameplay. Ready to team up or compete? Gears of War offers robust online multiplayer. You can easily connect with friends or join public matches to experience intense cooperative or competitive battles. For the best online experience, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection, ideally with low latency. If you encounter any technical glitches, remember to check the game's official support forums or community pages. Often, solutions to common issues are readily available there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.